In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the viral spiral Betty artwork that's circulating on TikTok and the internet. I'm going to show you the steps to create your own spiral for Design Space, and I'm also going to show you what I created as an example of what is possible. My spiral image is applied to an acrylic blank and has a rear vinyl overlay, which helps to define the subjects and makes the image pop. So the first thing you need to do is go to spiralbetty.com from either your mobile device or your desktop. Upload your image and then scale to size. Then click on the tick icon. Here you can change the color to black and white. You can also play around with the settings to get a look you're happy with. I recommend not adding too many rings as it will be hard to unspiral. I also recommend a bit more contrast. Once you are happy, click on the download button and download as a JPEG. Next, go to Design Space and upload the JPEG you just created. Click on Complex, and then remove the white background by clicking on it. Next, add it to your canvas and resize. I personally think 10 inches or larger is a good size for these spirals. Any smaller and the lines are too small to cut and unspiral, go ahead and cut out as you normally would for vinyl. I find it easier by removing the outside vinyl first and then starting in the middle. Keep an eye out on the JPEG as a reference of where to start. So that's how you can make a Spiral Betty artwork, and now I'm going to show you what I created using a little bit of my own creativity. How fun is this new trend? Definitely one of my favourite projects. I post crafty videos just like this one regularly, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on Instagram where I post mini tutorials every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.